Hi everyone, this is Shravan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is regarding managers and junior executives in Airport Authority of India. This is advertisement number 5 2020. So here we have total 5 types of vacancies are available, and first two types of vacancies are these two vacancies are required 5 years of relevant work experience. So in mechanical and automobile engineering stream and fire engineering also. Okay, so manager in fire and services, manager in technicals. Next one comes to junior executives, that means air traffic control section. Okay, so ATC. Okay, for these posts, bachelor's degree of 3 years in science, that means BSc, with physics and mathematics is the compulsory subjects, and otherwise bachelor's degree in engineering any discipline. Okay, whatever the discipline, but the physics and mathematics should be subjects in any one of the semester curriculum. Okay, the physics and mathematics subjects are compulsory in their graduation degree. Okay, so all the graduation, that means all the engineering streams are eligible for this particular recruitment, and no experience is essential for these ATC vacancies, and total vacancies are 264. Okay, these are the huge amount. Okay, and next fourth type vacancies, junior executives in airport operations. So graduate in science and MBA of 2 years duration, otherwise bachelor degree in engineering stream. So any of the stream. Okay, and here also no experience is required. Total vacancies are 83. And fifth one is junior executive in technical stream. Okay, for these vacancies, the required qualification is that means BE BTech degree in mechanical or automobile engineering. So this time we don't have communication side and electronic side technical vacancies. So only the technical vacancies are applicable for mechanical and automobile stream, and here also no experience is required. Total vacancies are 8. So third, fourth, fifth type of vacancies, for these vacancies no experience is required. Freshers are eligible, and here all the engineering graduates are eligible for third and fourth, and for fifth vacancies only mechanical automobile engineering students are eligible. This is important. So percentage of marks, minimum 60% of the marks are equivalent for bachelor's degree and also for PG degree, diploma including MBA. So whoever want to apply for this particular post, those people required 60% marks in their graduation. Okay, and next one, this is PWD related requirements. Just you can go through this particular section. And when it comes to age limit, okay, minimum age is 27 years as on 30th November 2020. Maximum age 32 years as on 30th November 2020. Okay, and this is relaxation in age. Okay, just you can go through this particular section, and these are the certain important dates mentioned here. Okay, so online application starting date is 15th December 2020 and ends on 14th January 2021. Okay, exam date should be announced at later stage. This is regarding pay scale. So for manager cadre, 60,000 is the basic, and grass is 1,80,000, and with annual increment of 3%. When it comes to junior executive, so E1 grade, so for these vacancies the basic salary is 40,000 and grass is 1,40,000 with annual increment of 3%. And these are the certain emoluments in addition to basic pay. Dearness allowances pays 35% of the basic pay. HRA and other benefits, which include CPF, gratuity, social security scheme, medical benefits, CTC, are admissible as per AI rule. CTC per annum for the post of manager, CTC would be around 18 lakhs. These are the for first two vacancies, and for the post of junior executive it would be around Rs 12 lakhs approximately. So 12 lakhs per annum for this junior executive cadre. And these are the certain important instructions. Please go through that. So selection process here, on the basis of the details, okay, furnished in application form, candidates shall be called for online examination, and admit card shall be issued to them accordingly. The admit cards for online examination will be sent to the eligible candidates on their registered email ID. There will not be any negative marking for wrong answers attempted by the candidates. Okay, very important instruction. Candidate will be shortlisted on the basis of their performance in online examination, and they will be called for document verification, interview, physical measurement and endurance test, driving test, voice test as applicable for the post, whichever the post required particular test. Okay, so for those people only they will take the test. Okay, so and this is regarding exam selection procedure. First, online examination. Whoever cleared the online examination, those people called for a skill type of test. Okay, document verification and skill type of test, and this is regarding selection procedure, application fee, and mode of remittance. Application fee 1000 rupees is to be paid by the candidate, and SC/ST female candidates have to pay only Rs 170 rupees. Okay, so only online mode of payment can be applicable. This is regarding Airport Authority of India and junior executives and manager posts. Okay, and this is very good opportunity, and for more job updates, please subscribe my channel and share this information with your friends. And if you have any doubts regarding this particular recruitment, please comment on comment box, and please like the video. Thank you.